Welcome, 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 welcome to my kitchen. It's your Jamaican girl Noreen, and it's Sunday morning in the kitchen. Thanks for joining me on this my cooking experience. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. If you continue to watch my video week after week, thank you so much. Remember to hit that like button. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Show me some love and subscribe to my channel. And at the end of the video, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe too. All right, family and friends, it's cooking time. So I have my salmon that I have cleaned, season, and allow it to marinate. So I'll add some tomatoes to my pan. I'm gonna blanch them and then I will peel to remove the skin. Now people, thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already done so. Now you know your tomatoes are ready when you see that crack on the side or wherever it begins to crack. It's time to peel the tomatoes. So guys, I'm using the same frying pan in some coconut oil. I am going to fry my salmon with the skin side down. So while that I go and do its thing, I continue to peel my tomatoes and I will use my knife to remove the stem mark. Now people, I'm going to put this in the blender with some onions, some red bell pepper, some hot pepper, some thyme, some ginger, people, and I will blend this until it's smooth. No more maximum flavor, so I'm gonna add to that some garlic. I will add to that some fresh oregano, guys. Blend it thoroughly and set it aside until my fish is done frying. Now guys, you can always follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Jump on over to my Facebook page and like it, Wim's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Now as you can see guys, I'm done flip over my fish and I'm frying it on the other side. The salmon here smell divine and I can't wait to go ahead and jump right into my sauce. So while I take out this, guys, I'm going to share with you the food for thought. Comes to us today from John 14 verse 27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you, not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. My encouragement to you is that you should not worry about the things you have no control over. The Bible reminds you that we are to cast our cares on Jesus because he cares for us. So why worry? There's a little song says, why worry when you can pray? So of course, our scripture reminds us that we should not worry because we have a God who can take care of whatever our needs are. All right, so welcome back. So guys, I've done removing all my salmon from the oil, and guys, I'm going to add to that about 2 cups of blended tomato. I'm simply adding about a 1/3 cup of water to this, guys. I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook until it reduces to about half the amount. Now guys, it's time for my big up time. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, maybe it's the birth of your baby, whatever milestone you are celebrating, graduating from school, passing your exam, whatever, congratulations as always. Extra special birthday greeting goes to my friend Suzette. Big up yourself. Remember, your friend love you with all my heart. And for all my other viewers who are celebrating, remember, Wim's love sees and appreciate you. All right, family and friends, after about 10 to 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. You can see where it has visibly reduced to half the amount. Its taste is so wonderful. That coconut oil flavor something. I'm going to tell you, man, it's bad. Now, guys, I'm just going to add to this some powdered seasoning and my dry herbs. I will add a pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper. Now, guys, remember your salt and pepper intake is up to you and according to your health or medical needs. So guys, I'm gonna submerge the salmon in this niceness. Yeah, look at this, guys. It smells so divine. Just gonna cover it up for about 3 to 5 minutes, allow it to simmer. So guys, I'm going to pair this nicely with some pumpkin rice as the side, guys. And trust me, this promised to be a delicious meal. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now guys, if you want to see how I do the pumpkin rice, please say pumpkin rice in the comment section. You can follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and also like my Facebook page. Thank you so much for sharing your love with me. I'm so thankful that you stayed with me in the kitchen. I'll see you next week where I have for you another awesome Jamaican meal. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you next week.